Hello lovely people, and welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but hey, I'm back now. This is just a slow, chill Saturday in my life. Days now morph and melt into the next, and there's little difference between weekends and weekdays. But I like to be a little more chill and relaxed on weekends, and for me, that just means cooking a lot. I start my day as usual with some coffee and breakfast. And getting out of my lazy people clothes. In the morning, I'll catch up with some news or listen to the Indian Express podcast. And then from about 9 to 12, I do a solid chunk of revision. During this time, I like to revise usually just GS topics, sometimes my optional, but mostly it's just GS. Then about 12 p.m. I took a smallish break to prep for lunch. I was making stir fry rice and I wanted to get all the chopping work out of the way. There's a lot of chopping involved in stir fry or any Asian cuisine, and that takes a lot of time. With that done, I continued revision for about an hour. It feels so nice and warm studying in the sun, and I'm honestly so grateful for this giant window. In Delhi, especially during the winter and the pollution, we're all a bit sun-starved, so it feels really nice. I decided to make nasi goreng for lunch, which is basically an Indonesian style fried rice. I used fresh rice here, even though I know I'm technically not supposed to, but I didn't have enough leftover rice. Okay, don't yell at me, Uncle Roger, I know I'm a disappointment. This is a super easy recipe and it was very quick to make. It's just basically chucking some rice, some sauce, some veggies, an egg, whatever protein you have, and yep, that's done. I topped the rice with some fried egg for that authentic Indonesian experience. It was so delicious. I would highly recommend making this, and it's so easy as well. After lunch, I continued with revision, and after that, I did a bit of editing and then had a baby nap, since it is a Sunday after all, right? After my nap, it was time for my usual evening coffee, and hear me out, this delicious snack of apple, nuts, and sriracha. Yes, you heard me correctly. I know it sounds super wacky, but it's actually very, very delicious. It's just some nuts mixed with brown sugar and topped with chili sauce. It's so delicious. Try it. With my snack, I started my evening study session. I studied for about 2-ish hours. It was just more revision because that's all I do these days. I had studied for a fair amount when my friend called and we decided to watch Netflix together. I've been watching Queen's Gambit lately, and it's a great series, slightly predictable though, but let me know if you've seen it and what you think about it. Are there any other shows that you're watching recently? I haven't been on Netflix for so long. I think the only show I watched before this was The Crown. My brother was making dinner, so I went to check on him. He's only 14 and a super talented chef. I'm gonna plug his Instagram so you can see his insane cooking skills. He made chicken pot pie for dinner and an apple galette for dessert, and both of them were so good. He is seriously talented. After dinner, I studied for about 2 more hours. I honestly just wanted to get all things on my to-do list done before bed. Look at that chicken pie. It was so good. Also, before I forget, I recently hit 500 subscribers on YouTube, which is honestly so wild to me. I started this year with about 20 and my channel has grown so much. It's genuinely unbelievable to me, so thank you so much for subscribing. It means so much to me and I'm so grateful for all of you watching my videos. Thank you so much. And after that last study session, I was finally done for the day. And then it was just my usual drill of lighting my diffuser and some candles to set up that perfect relaxing mood. Then brushing my teeth, getting ready for bed, just all that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I know my posting schedule has been all over the place, but I'll do better. I've just been so busy these days. Hopefully there will be a new video out soon. Until then, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice week. Bye bye.
In case I don't see ya, good afternoon, good evening, and good